One of the challenges of moving your HVAC system inside the conditioned space is to fit all of this equipment inside a small closet or a mechanical room inside the building. In this case, we're on the second story of this house, and we have the entire furnace right here in this closet. Starting at the top, you can see a special takeoff for the return system. This is a tapered takeoff that leads into the furnace filter. This is a high efficiency pleated filter, and that takeoff kind of creates less turbulence as the air comes back into the furnace. And below the furnace, there's room in this case for an air conditioning coil should they decide to install one in the future, but there's certainly plenty of room there. You can see the condensate drain for the burner of the high efficiency furnace, and then at the very bottom there's a drain pan to catch any excess condensation or overflow that might occur and to protect the house against a little bit of a flood. The other thing about putting the furnace inside the space here is that you want to try to reduce noise as much as possible. And so some of the noise features that they've incorporated into this are that the return actually goes through a insulated flex duct to a space about 10 feet away, where that return is in the hallway. That'll absorb a little bit of the air noise as the air gets collected and comes back to the furnace. They're going to insulate this room with blow-in insulation around this these interior walls. They've set the furnace cabinet on vibration pads at the very bottom there. You can kind of see them poking out from underneath the furnace in the drain pan there. Those vibration pads will absorb some of the vibration so it's not transmitted to the structure of the building. And then finally, a door that goes on this closet will be a solid door, so it helps to buffer some of that noise. Because the shell of this building is so well insulated, it's tight, you have really great windows, it's not necessary to put the registers around the perimeter as would be typically done in most houses. The tight shell means that the surfaces around the building are much warmer and will make people more comfortable, and so the supply registers can be located here on an interior wall. Sometimes you have to think about the type of grill that's specified for that. It's going to be able to throw the air into the room and mix with the air with the room a little bit better, but you really don't have to move all of these, or you really don't have to locate all of these registers on the perimeter as you would have done in the past. Even though the ducts are installed inside the conditioned space, they still have to be sealed with mastic paste so that all of the air gets to where it's supposed to go. So the ducts inside are all sealed, and all the transitions between the metal duct and the flex duct have to be sealed with Panduit straps and other approved methods, because you always want the air to go where it's supposed to go.